add a little bit of water.
Wow.
Turn on the faucet and magically create a bubble. Watch, blow some bubbles and freeze one completely solid.
Is it going to explode?
Whoa, that was awesome.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I got my daughter Ava with me, and we are showing you 3 magic tricks with bubbles.
Yeah.
First things first, check this out. This is our old studio. It's our old warehouse. This is where we used to ship all the stuff for EvanEraTV.com out of. Completely empty. Look at that. Because we are moving into a new space. I moved into a new house, and on that property, on the land, there is another building that we're doing all the fulfillment, all the studio work out of, filming all the videos. So this is now empty. We're up here in the loft, and we are here because we're gonna do a really cool bubble magic trick. So without further ado, let's get into the first bubble trick. You ready, Ava?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So this is one that we saw online. This special type of glue right here. It's called Uhu. I think that's Russian. So we're gonna try it out, see if it works. Let's give it a shot. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Take some of the glue and you just put it up inside just like this. This is how you're gonna set this up. Now when someone goes to turn the water on, it creates a magic bubble just like that. It looks like the water just magically freezes. That's so crazy.
Nice.
Feel it, Ava.
Oh my gosh, it literally feels like gelatin or something. It's all full of water.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh my gosh.
Oops. Pop. Now this doesn't ruin the faucet. You can just gently kind of pull on it.
Making little bubbles.
And it'll come out just like that. So this won't ruin the faucet, but it's better to do it on like the garage sink or something like that, one that you're not really gonna care if it gets messed up and clogged with glue. Don't do it on the kitchen sink or something like that. It looks like it just rolls off my fingers pretty easy, kind of like rubber cement.
It reminds me of those little blowpipe balloons, the stuff that you put on the little blowpipe and then you blow it and it like makes a balloon. It feels exactly like that.
So you could set this up as a magic prank. Prep this beforehand, then wait for somebody to use the faucet, and when they turn it on,
That is so cool.
looks
Oh
like
my
the water
gosh.
just magically freezes into a crazy, it's almost like a slime bubble, isn't it?
Yeah, I really want to play with it. That is so cool. It's like a sea creature or something.
And that is what it compacts down into. That's that entire bubble right there. Just a little thin layer of glue membrane. Isn't that cool?
Yes, very. That's what's left.
My buddy Zach has a unit up here too. He's got this motorized skateboard. It's like an old school boosted board. Just a redneck jerry rig. Pretty awesome. Okay, magic bubble trick number 2 right here. So I have a thing of bubbles. I also have a little bubble wand right here. So also notice my hands are completely empty. I'm gonna take the little bubble wand, get some bubble solution on it, and I'm gonna sit the rest of the little bubble thing, little solution down on the table just like that. Now watch, I'm gonna take my bubble wand and blow some bubbles. Watch. Okay, watch this bubble right here. If I just... It magically turns into a solid glass bubble. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to pull this one off at home. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away 3 of these to 3 lucky comments. These are called Wonder Bubbles. It's a whole kit. You get everything you need to perform the trick. It comes with the bubbles, the wand, the solution, and a secret magic glass bubble. It's actually not glass. I'm pretty sure it's like a plexiglass. The kit comes with everything you need. It's available now at EvanEraTV.com. There's a lot of cool effects that you can do with this kit, a lot of different handlings of this trick, and it's one of my personal favorites. All you do is load the little bubble into the bottom of this hollowed out container. So you're gonna do that before the trick starts, and then all you have to do is pinch the sides in order to keep it in there, and then when you want to release it, just let go. As you can see, the underside of this is completely hollowed out, but there's also bubble solution in the top. So this little cup in the top filled with bubble solution. So it only goes about halfway down, just enough for you to dip the bubble wand in and get enough solution to blow some bubbles. So you blow the bubbles up into the air. It's gonna cause quite the distraction because there's so many bubbles. You're gonna have this palmed in your hand at this point, just like this. Point at the bubbles, and then as they fall down, you're simply gonna pop this up. Just bloop, pop it up into the air, and it'll look like one of the bubbles just magically freezes into a solid glass ball just like that. So cool. Everyone's definitely going to want to check this out and inspect it, so it's a really cool thing to hand out to an audience. Head over to EvanEraTV.com and pick one up today. We have worldwide shipping available on every item in the shop.
Okay, Ava, check this out. Just add a little bit of water.
Whoa. What's happening?
Isn't that cool? So watch, if I take this string.
Oh my gosh! What is happening? Is it going to explode?
Watch. Wait for it.
Whoa!
That was awesome. Big cloud.
Yes.
First thing you're gonna need for this trick is some dry ice. You can get this at almost any grocery store.
The second thing you're going to need is a glass and some food coloring. Put a few drops into the glass, and the next thing you're going to add is some hot water. Take a chunk of the dry ice and add it to the water in the glass. The hot water will cause the dry ice to begin to off-gas just like this. That is the dry ice turning from a solid form into a gas, just like that. That's what you're seeing there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to trap the gas form of the dry ice with a bubble right across the glass. Now the way we're going to create the bubble is by taking a piece of string, and we're gonna take a cup full of water and dishwashing liquid. Submerge the string in the cup of dishwashing liquid. Once you have the string fully submerged and soaked in the dishwashing liquid, you're going to take the string and drag it across the rim of the cup. The dry ice turning from solid to gas in the water will cause the bubble to magically expand, and it fills with the dry ice gas. And then when it pops, it looks like a big magical cloud just appears. It's super cool. Oh, there it goes.
Ooh.
That was cool.
Still going though.
So that is it. It's pretty simple. Try it out at home. Get some dry ice, some food coloring, and some hot water. And then you need some dishwashing soap and a piece of string. Super easy, and it's fun. You want to try it, Eva?
Yeah.
There you go. Dip the string. Yeah. And just run it right along the top. There you go. You got it.
Yay.
It's making a bubble already. First try. So easy, kids can do it on the first try. And the funnest part is disposing of all the dry ice. So take the rest of your dry ice that you don't need, put it in your sink, turn the hot water on.
Oh no. Oh. I hope the smoke detector does not go off.
It's not smoke, it's carbon dioxide.
Wow. Oh my gosh, everything's overflowing.
And then you get a haunted sink prank, like a haunted house.
I can't even see the bottom of the sink.
It's the haunted sink.
Oh.
So the reason the fog falls down like this to the floor is because it's more dense than the air around it. So it's heavier and it falls down. Science!
Yeah. Bill Nye, that's science.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button on the video and share it with someone you think might like it as well. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm giving away 3 tubes of Uhu, the glue that you can use to make the magic water bubbles. Giving away 3 of the Miracle Magic Wonder Bubbles. So if you want to win any of the giveaway items, leave a comment in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win the giveaway is give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be subscribed to EvanEraTV. Tap to be subscribed. He's subscribed. You should subscribe too. It's free to create a YouTube account. Subscribe to all your favorite channels. Subscribe to EvanEraTV, and you can see all of our videos as soon as we upload them.
Add a little bit of water.
Wow.
Turn on the faucet and magically create a bubble. Watch, blow some bubbles and magically freeze one completely solid.
Is it going to explode?
If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, you can catch up by watching it right over there. Shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.